fingers is back. Both of them. Anyway, we went to the Asian store today and we bought a bamboo steamer. Boom, boom, boom. This is a lot. This is the actual steamer. So, boom, boom, Xiao Mai can be made. This one is 35 kroner per piece. So together, 70 kroner. Then we bought red curry Thai paste. And this is only 20 kroner and there's 400 gram in it. That is cheap. Then we got some nuts. With some Thai taste. Tom yum or whatever it's called. And actually I have to say, disappointed. They're not spicy at all. You got a little spicy taste, but disappointed. This one I'm very excited about. I don't know if you can see it. Black pepper sauce. I eat this when I go to an Asian restaurant all the time. They make a very good of it, so I'm looking forward to taste this. As then,
how much was it?
That was 20 kroner for the 20 kroner for the black pepper sauce. The nuts was 25. The disappointed. Then we bought this one. Actually, CM bought this one because I will never put this in my mouth ever, ever, ever. Never ever. It is hot and spicy, but we tried. I tried Korean style in Philippines once, and it was shit. This one I really love. The ginger candy. Those small chewy parts here. Enjoy it. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm.
How much?
Oh, I don't know. Like 12 kroner. Then some pickled small peppers, turkey style. They're yummy. I know them already. And then this one, Bangos, milkfish, baby split, baby fish. This was 55 kroner, 54 kroner in that area. I will never eat it. I don't like Bangos. The wife will go crazy about it, so let her eat it. Let her be happy about it, so I can get my piece. Then we bought the okra. I don't know what it is. What is it? What is this?
I don't know, it's okay. I don't know what it is in English.
Okra, she doesn't know what it is, but she loves it, and it's pickled, and who cares? Small pickled chilies, spicy, yummy, and actually the cheapest peppers I ever seen in a Danish store, around 10 kroner, 7 kroner, like that. And then another thing coming here, chicken feet.
And I can see there's nails in it.
There's nails. There is.
You need to nail cut.
I don't need a nail cutter because I will not cook it. I will not eat it. This is for you and your Pinoy friends. Somebody else who want to put it in their mouth, but the Adidas is not for me. I will not eat the Adidas. I will not eat the helmet, and I will not eat the chicken intestine. It's yucks. I don't want it.
But it tastes good.
But it's cheap. And I like cheap. 1 kilo, 18 kroner. So, I love it. For the sake of money. That's it. I will not enjoy eating it.
Okay.
So that's it.
How much is it all?
Altogether it was 275 kroner. And that was including some drink I drink on the way. Very nice shop. What's it called? KFC in Valby. What else did we buy? We went to another shop also. Because the owner of the channel is getting a little chubby. Let's be honest about that one. She got this small pink punching gloves for a sandbag. So she got a workout now. 235 krona. Sale at the moment, minus 15%. Bought in the Budo Expert in Valby also. Because her hand is so small, let me see the hand of the small one. The smallest hand ever. And the biggest hand. It's not that big, but that's small. Then she needs to have what you call inner gloves. So you will not ruin your wrists. So you will actually put those one on first. And then put it inside the glove. And it's an extra small, but it's still way too big for the smallest hand in the world.
And then, Chai, how does...
And then this one on.
Now it's tight.
It's tight as... I don't want to say what it is, but it's tight.
Now ready.
But the boxing video gonna be on another day, where she will punch the bag. That's not me in this case.
And you also bought for yourself?
I bought so we can have an equal fight. They're good. I've been buying those before. They're nice, but I don't have an inner glove in mine. So that's it, folks.
How much is it all?
Oh, 570, and that's including the discount. So, fair prices, very good place to buy fighting gear if you're a fighter, or you just want to work out, or you just want to punch your life without leaving any marks.
Shut the fuck up!
Did you just say that? Use the F-bomb in this video? So anyway, Budo X, very good shop, fair prices. So that's it. Buyers for the fingers.